Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to acquire a business with no money in just 10 simple steps. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Do thorough research on potential businesses you'd like to acquire. Look for companies that are struggling or have owners looking to retire. Step 2. Build relationships and network within the industry. Attend conferences and events to connect with potential sellers. Step 3. Approach business owners with a win-win proposition. Offer to take over their operations while allowing them to retain a percentage of the profits. Step 4. Develop a detailed business plan that showcases your skills, vision, and how you can turn the company around. Step 5. Seek out investors who are looking for unique business opportunities. Present your plan and convince them to finance your acquisition. Step 6. Be creative with financing options. Explore seller financing, where the current owner agrees to receive payments over time instead of a lump sum. Step 7. Consider partnering with experienced individuals or companies who can bring in capital and expertise. Step 8. Look for government grants or loans that support entrepreneurial endeavors, especially those aimed at revitalizing struggling businesses. Step 9. Negotiate favorable terms with the seller, such as deferred payments or a percentage of future profits. Step 10. Once the deal is done, work hard to turn the business around and make it profitable. Implement your strategies, streamline operations, and innovate to achieve success. And that's it. With determination and creativity, you can acquire a business with no money. Thanks for watching our video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. Good luck on your journey to becoming a successful business owner.